throttle with these old short legs you give me. Turn it to the right a little bit. No, the other right. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Toss me them keys so I can crank it up and get that power steering working here. All right, now we can start. Good thing it got red, help me steer this thing on up in here. Ooh, red. So what you think about it, red? I think you can put a little air in tires and gas it up, charge the battery, we can go for a ride. You about ready to pull some wrenches on it, Red? Yeah, give me a crescent wrench. I'll start over here. I'll start on this side, you start on the other side, we'll meet up in the middle. Yeah, we can get started on it now. I filled that motor up with oil, spark plug holes, filled the carburetor up with oil, and I don't know if it don't break loose. I ain't gonna fool with it. First thing I'm gonna do is get the body off of it, strip it down, get the body off of it, and get it out of the way. Then I can start stripping the chassis down, pull the motor, transmission. Well, first I'm gonna check, see if I get the motor unstuck. I doubt it. But if I can get it unstuck, I might put some oil in it and see if I can crank it up. Who knows? But anyway, I gotta get the body off of it first, and then I'm gonna go from there. But I plan on using the frame. That's the plan. We're gonna see how that works out. If not, we'll make another frame. Yeah, I got that Mustang. We got that 8.8, not a Mustang, Exploder. Rear end 8.8, 373 gear, positive traction rear end. That would be nice for this. With that Corvette engine, 350 Corvette engine. And my buddy of mine's got a straight axle out of a 52 Ford pickup truck, I think it is. So it's got hydraulic brakes on it. I might see if I might use it instead of trying to have to spend money on more brakes to work on this one. I don't know, we're gonna see. It's a possibility the spindles off that Ford truck I might be able to make them fit on there. If I could use that axle right there. But I'm gonna mount it different. It's gonna be, the axle gonna be all the way out in the front of the car. Yeah, we'll see. All right, gotta get the body off. Start with that. Yeah, I got a good start. Got the top off of it. Somebody else will get some galvanized tin somebody put on the roof. Got the windshield out, floor out. It ain't nothing. There ain't much nothing holding it. I'm gonna take it apart right here on the other side. Take the back cap off, then I can take the cowl out. And yeah, we're getting there. Got the headlights out. We'll try to retrofit some later model bulbs in them and use them. We'll see what happens with that. Yep, that's it. Appreciate you.